everyone, welcome back to Design Furniture. If you're looking to give your windows a fresh, elegant look, linen curtains are the perfect choice. Today, I'm going to show you how to style your windows with linen curtains to enhance the beauty of your home. Let's get started. Why choose linen curtains? First, let's talk about why linen curtains are such a great option. Linen is a natural fabric that is both breathable and durable. It has a unique texture that adds character to any room. Plus, linen curtains come in a variety of colors and patterns, making them versatile for any decor style. Measuring your windows. Before you buy your linen curtains, you need to measure your windows correctly. Use a measuring tape to determine the width and height of your window. For a fuller look, add extra width to your measurements, typically 1.5 to 2 times the window width. For the height, measure from where you want to hang the curtain rod to the floor or windowsill, depending on your preference. Choosing the right curtain rod. Next, let's choose the right curtain rod. Your rod should be sturdy enough to hold the weight of linen curtains. There are various styles, from classic metal rods to more decorative ones with finials. Make sure the rod extends beyond the window frame by a few inches on each side to allow the curtains to open fully. Installing the curtain rod. Now let's install the curtain rod. Mark the spots where you want to place the brackets, ensuring they're level and at the right height. Drill holes for the screws, attach the brackets, and then place the rod on the brackets. Make sure everything is secure before hanging your curtains. Hanging your linen curtains. It's time to hang your linen curtains. Slide the curtains onto the rod, or if your curtains have rings, attach the rings to the rod. Adjust the curtains so they hang evenly, and use curtain tiebacks if you want to let more light in during the day. Maintenance tips. To keep your linen curtains looking their best, wash them according to the care instructions, usually in cold water and on a gentle cycle. Air dry them to prevent shrinkage. If needed, iron them on a low setting to remove wrinkles. And there you have it. Styling your windows with linen curtains is an easy way to add elegance and charm to your home. Thanks for watching this episode of Design Furniture. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home styling ideas. Have any questions or want to share your own curtain styling tips? Drop a comment below. See you next time.